Hey guys, how you doing? Man, it's about what time is it? Oh, it's 9:30, so that's right on time for my cook. I'm on the pit maker boat today. I got like three briskets on it, and I got 11. Actually, I got five picnics and six butts on tonight. Okay, so the pit was preheated. I already got my meat on, using my meter block today, and I'm actually using some B&B, what's called B&B briquettes. Okay, so I'm going to be using. These are just about ready. I'm using probably about maybe, because these things are big too. That's about a quarter full, and that's all I'm going to use to get my pit up to temp. To start it off with, let's go ahead and look at the meat, and we're going to check out the firebox. Let you guys see my night cook setup. Since I got a lot of meat on, I'm going to be using the U method. All right, so let's see. I actually got these are two picnics, and I got a picnic and a brisket in here that I halved up because I want to get them done fast. I don't like to mess around with picnics and briskets. All we're gonna do is shred it up, right, or dice it, chop it up. It don't matter. Just put some smoke on it and let it taste good. Okay. So those are butterflied up top. I got three briskets, cooking everything in pans today. And these briskets, man, they're ranging. This one right here this is an 18 pounder. Okay. That one is a 15 pounder, just using salt and pepper. And let's see, this one is another 15-pound brisket. And I got, two briskets and a half in here. Split them up. Like I said, I don't like to take all day on picnics and butts. And then the last little bit I got on the bottom, salt and pepper, and a little bit of sweet heat. So I can pour this all the way out. There we go. Okay. This will get me done. I'll probably be done by, not done, I'll probably be wrapping about 3 o'clock in the morning, maybe 3:30. All right, so I am running a dry pit today. Clean pit. That's what I like. Sometimes if you start cooking on the grates, you get all that black stuff in there. If you don't clean it, man, it starts to smell, it starts to stink. That stuff will get on your meat. All right, so let's go ahead and, by the way, I got my my pit probe here, because I'm going to be cheating today, guys. I'm going to be using my fan system today. So the reason why I got my pit probe here is because I'm going to be running 250. So I want my 250 in the middle. So that's why I got it at, and that thermometer set right there in the middle. So I want to run 250 right here, and I know up top it's probably gonna run like 270, 265, 275, which is fine. With pork butts and picnics, don't really care about those. I do, but if they get dark, it's fine. We're just gonna, like I said, shred it up, and then as we move down, the bottom's gonna be cooking a little hotter than the middle shelf, so it's probably gonna be like a 15-degree difference. So if it's running 250 here, right in here, okay, I know right here it's going to be running probably 260-ish. Down here it's going to run just as hot, or plus or minus 5 or 10 degrees than the top. Okay, but the sweet spot for the boat is the second shelf and the third shelf. All right, especially for briskets. Just maintain your draft. Let's look at the firebox. Okay. Hey Donald, man, how you doing? I'm not running a lot of wood because this pit's so efficient, man. You don't need a lot of wood. It just saturates. It just saturates the pit with smoke. Okay, but I'm using the B&B. These things are huge. That's almost 4 fingers. And I am using post oak today. This fist-sized chunks, not bad. And from like using raw oak or Kingsford, those are really small. I probably got too much fuel in here, guys. I think I do, because these are so big, or just like the char logs. I love them char logs. I was going to use that tonight, but I wanted to use the B&B. So I'm only using, let's see, 5 chunks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all I'm using, okay? And that's gonna get me through my cook. So this is my residue leftover. These are char logs for my leftover cook that I did. Yeah, hey Donald, hey buddy, I'm doing fine, man. For my last cook, and I don't throw them away. Just use it again. It's gonna burn. All right. So this is actually a U shape, and this gonna get me all the way to 3 o'clock till it's time for me to wrap. And once I wrap, the remaining fuel in here, it's gonna push me through my cook. Okay. Let's go ahead and let me leave it out. So I'm about to drop my fuel. Okay, so check it out. I'm running my DigiQ. So like I said before, I'm cheating today. I said it's been a while since I've ran the DigiQ on my Volt. Does it need it? No, it doesn't, man. Just set your draft, but I just felt like using it. So I got my pit set for 250. All right, and there's 3 different modes on here by pushing these 2 buttons. So I got it for mode 2, which is big insulated pits. If you go to 1, it's for small insulated pits like the Safe, the Battle Box, the Long Weekender, the small cabinet smokers, and then 3 is for your offset, your big offset smokers. So my fan system, I'm gonna run 3/4 open. You know, sometimes I know this fan, it can burn through your fuel if you don't preheat it before it gets up to temp. You'll probably burn through a lot because this thing blows hard, man. So I actually got it on 3/4, and I think that's going to be fine. So this is open. Let's go ahead and drop this stuff so I can go ahead and go to sleep. All right. Okay, let's get this thing. Man, look at this. Man, this B&B is huge. It is. If you can get you some, get some. But you know what? If you can find the char logs, hey man, grab them. They're hard to find up here in Colorado. I always got to order them. But if you can find it and get it, man, those things are, them char logs, man, they'll save you money. It'll save you some money, less fuel, and it burns long, burns clean. Let's set this in here just right. Okay, there we go. How many I do use? They all lit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Probably 15 pieces. Yeah, about 15. They're really big. You don't need much. All right. That's it, guys. Hey, I will see you back in the morning time. Get it there, baby. Hey, Fidel. I'll bring you back about 3:30 and check on this cook. Let's check it out one more time. 3 briskets, 6 butts, and 5 picnics running a dry pit. That's a wrap. See you guys in the morning time. God bless y'all, and take care.